G'day guys, my name's Andrew Franze from Zap Fitness in Prospect in South Australia. Guys, this is something I prepared earlier. This is the equation to find the basal metabolic rate, aka how many calories you need just to function, to do what you do in your everyday lives. So here's an equation for men. It starts with 66 plus, in brackets, 13.75, enter in your weight in kilograms. So for me, that's 80. Then you add 5 times your height in centimeters, for me 190, and then take away 6.8 times your age, which for me is 18. This will get you a value, in my case, approximately 1,990 calories. This is just for you to function, to breathe, and to do what you do every day. What you then need to do is times that by your activity level to make sure you're covering what you're expending in your activity per day. So if you have a very sedentary lifestyle, let's say you have an office job, times that number by 1.1. If you work out or exercise 3 to 5 times a week, times that by 1.35 for that moderate activity level. If you're really active, you work out 6-7 times a week, times that by 1.5. Now that's going to get you a value, a calorie value of what it would take for you to eat and cover not only just the function, but also covering your activity level. For me, that's 2,600 calories. I need to be taking that in not to lose weight, to cover both my functioning in everyday life and also my activity levels. But I want to bulk up. I want to increase my calories over what I'm expending. So I'm going to add anywhere between 250 to 500 calories, depending on how aggressive my bulk is and how long I have to build that muscle. So guys, hopefully you learned something today and you can figure out how many calories you need to take in to build muscle. So guys, if you know anyone that could benefit from watching this video, make sure to share it with them. And if you have any questions, comment on our Facebook.